Thank you for using Trend Micro Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to use the Trend Micro Toolbar's page ratings on your PC. This video applies to all three PC editions: Antivirus Plus, Internet Security, and Maximum Security. Trend Micro Toolbar is a web browser extension that can warn you about security risks associated with the websites you visit. It protects against fraudulent Gmail and Outlook webmails via Fraudbuster, checks your online privacy in Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and launches PayGuard, a hardened version of your default browser to protect your financial transactions. To use Trend Micro page ratings, ensure that the Rate links on mouseover on the Trend Micro Toolbar is checked. If you conduct a search and the search results reveal malicious sites, Rate links on mouseover will rate the danger of the website in the search results as safe, untested, or dangerous. If you click the link to the dangerous website, you'll be blocked. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the Trend Micro Toolbar's page ratings.